Hey Aquanuts, a couple of weeks ago, we were upgrading a customer's equipment pad and their light set. We were upgrading their lights from the traditional 500 watt incandescent bulbs to the newer color changing LEDs. They had 3 lights in the pool and 1 light in the hot tub. When we pulled them out, what we found was horrifying. Let me show you. This here is a traditional 500 watt incandescent pool light that you would find in most of the older pools that are out there. You probably have one in your pool. This is made by one of the big 3 manufacturers. It's a very good product for what it is. Now let me show you the scary part. When we pulled this out of here, we found this. What is this, you ask? This is where some jackleg or handyman took electrical tape and spliced the pool light, a new pool light, when this was new, with an existing cord, leaving exposed wire submerged underwater. This is very, very dangerous. This could have resulted in the electrocution of whoever was swimming in the pool at the time. It could have been a child, an elderly person. This is 120 volts. This is the reason why you don't want some handyman or some jackleg working on your pool that does not understand the proper use of electrical wiring in or around a swimming pool. Guys, this was done in the downtown Greenville area. So this is in your backyard. People are doing crazy stuff like this. If you contract out for someone to change out your lights and they opt to do something like this, get rid of them. This is unacceptable. Here, let me open it up so you can see what I'm talking about. All right, guys, I have cut into the shrink wrap and the electrical tape, and this is what you have right here. Some jackleg, and I don't know any other word to call them, used butt-end connectors with a little bit of shrink wrap and electrical tape. And I can just real easily take this off. Now we have just butt-end connectors and electrical tape with bare wires underwater in your swimming pool. Guys, this is unacceptable. This is totally unacceptable. Please, please, please find a professional when you want to upgrade your lights. There are many of us out there that will not do this even if you pay us to. It's just too dangerous. Anyway, a little bit of a rant there. If you have liked this content, you want to see more of the do's and don'ts of swimming pools, let us know in the comments down there. Look forward to your comments, and let me know what you think about this. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff.